And at the same time, you look at technology which deals with violence. We invented guns so we could shoot at a distance. Then we invented, those rocket launchers. Then we invented the nuclear bomb, and two cities and millions of people were wiped out. So we've also used technology to exploit, to oppress, to control other human beings. And that, I'm not so sure that I would call that progress. If a writer for 5 drafts is going to be paid, let's say, 50 lakh, right? If 4 drafts are done by AI and you ask me to do 1 draft, then I'm being paid 10 lakh. You see? So, in that sense, for those 4 drafts, you replaced me. So, that was the whole also fight about it. It wasn't merely about their fair share, etc., but this also. And then comes the whole case of copyright. So, it was that they wondered also that will the 5th draft also be done by, which is what you're contesting. And you, in all our conversations, you have contested that. Okay, but still there is, I mean, maybe we will have some, I mean, I'll ask you a question at the end and we'll explore it in depth. Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll take this. We have, by the way, a 15-minute session with our lawyer here, Divakar, right? So we'll have a 15-minute session where we'll talk about the legal side of AI and how it affects writers. So given this question, if we start asking, the next question that I ask is to look at history and understand where future could be heading. Is I like to ask this: what do we do as mankind when we are given better technology? Let's see the past to see our behaviors. That's the best way to predict the future, even if not the most accurate. When we had, there was a time when we all used to walk on foot. We had no technology to kind of even have a wheel. So we would go furthest to the next village. Like, do you realize, except you take away our generation and the previous couple of generations, every other generation before 1900s almost, 99% of the people never stepped beyond their next village, right? That is what the world we were living in. So when we were on foot, we could only go this far. Then we got wheels and cycles and carts. So we started going to the next town. Most of us. Very few people would go. It was a big deal. Someone was stepping out of the house and crossing the forest. There are so many stories that have been created out of these things. कि मेरा बेटा बहुत दूर जा रहा है 7 समंदर पार, जबकि वो गांव अगले गांव ही जा रहा है, तो उसमें भी टेंशन है उनको, right? And then we got motorbikes and cars. We didn't say अगले गांव जल्दी जाके आ जाते हैं 5 मिनट के अंदर. We said, oh, I can now go to the next state, maybe further parts of the country which I couldn't go. Then we had roads, of course. Then we could go even further without our car breaking down. Then we had ships and planes. Ships were there, but we had planes. We didn't say कि मुंबई से दिल्ली जाके आता हूँ फिर. We said Singapore चलते हैं थोड़ा vacation पे, right? So every time the technology progressed, now we have rockets. There is space tourism as a real industry that is happening, all thanks to reusable rockets. That is what technology looks like at its best. We have reusable rockets, which means you can literally buy $100,000 ticket. आज की price ही है. There's a company called Blue Origin by Jeff Bezos, and you can go to this space and come back. So what this says is, every time technology progresses, we go further. We don't do the same things. We start doing newer things. We start doing bigger things. We become ambitious. That is the nature of humans. We don't do the same things over and over again, right? And that is basically, this is captured here. And now this question we ask in context of art, right? As filmmakers, yeah. Please come in. You want to come here?
Nivedan, it's true. I mean, the examples that you've given are very constructive examples. They've led to development. They've led to the expansion of our engagement with the world. By all means, technology has helped us. And at the same time, you look at technology which deals with violence. We invented guns so we could shoot at a distance. Then we invented, those rocket launchers. Then we invented the nuclear bomb, and two cities and millions of people were wiped out. We've used technology to inflict pain, to commit torture, interrogation techniques, okay, unbearable pain. So we've also used technology to exploit, to oppress, to control other human beings, and that, I'm not so sure that I would call that progress. Okay, that's brought out the savage in us. So it also depends upon how democratic that technology is. And so in the context of that, perhaps, yes, AI lends itself to a more democratization of technology. Like you said, that anybody can make a film. Even But each time technological progress has not necessarily been an advancement for human beings, Nivedan.
No, so I fair. This is fair. I think we also have better war technology. So I mean, we're seeing it everywhere. We're inflicting pain. That is also true. So every technology acts like a multiplier. That is the simplest way is a multiplier. And this is what I had started with. Every technology will be dependent on, like, it's like the gun will aim at the one I want to aim at. The gun doesn't aim itself. So, which is to say, and there is a popular saying I was talking about before this session, that imagine AI in the context of guns in that sense. There is a saying, I don't know who said it, but it says, guns don't kill people, people kill people, right? Which is to say, and by the way, for if your enemy has a gun, you better have a gun. I don't think we would want to debate that, right? Does that lead to a lot more chaos? Maybe yes. In this instance, I would like to us to hold both of these ideas together, that there is a part which is amplified, which is the best of us. There is a part which is the worst of us. I won't try and call it net progress. I think that is a false idea. I wouldn't call it net progress. Does that at least put it in fair terms? Okay, so I will not call it net progress at least. If you want to stay on top of the latest AI news and tools, make sure to subscribe me now and press the bell icon.